we gather under the sacred banner of Birsa lives in New Bharat. During this Janajatiya Garima Sal, this is not merely a commemorative week. It is a reaffirmation that the spirit of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, the spirit of fighting for our rights, our forest, and our identity is thriving in the 21st century. For generations, the 19 tribal communities of Tripura, that is the Tripuri, Deparma, Riyang, the Chakma, Kargo, Halam, Jamatia, and other communities have been the custodians of our lush landscapes. The Forest Rights Act of 2006 was enacted to correct the historical wrong. It recognized that the forests of Tripura belong to those who have protected them for generations. When we examine the progress of Forest Rights Act implementation across the country, Tripura stands out as the shining example of commitment and delivery. As per the official status available with the government, Tripura has already recognized an impressive total of individual forest titles, 4 lakh acres already distributed. What makes this achievement truly remarkable is the average area of land allotted per beneficiary. This average is among the highest in the entire country. This is not merely a paper title, this is economic freedom for this tribal family. It means that a tribal household in Tripura has received, on average, over 3 acres of forest land for self-cultivation and habitation. This reflects the unwavering commitment of the government of Tripura towards strengthening livelihood security and community-based forest governance. Furthermore, the state has recognized the 65 community rights titles and approved 222 development rights proposals relating to diversion of forest land for basic public utility infrastructure and community facilities. These numbers are not statistics, they represent justice delivered at the grassroots level. I am proud to announce the formal launch of the web GIS based FRA Atlas of Tripura, developed in collaboration with the Tripura Space Application Center, which has been designated as the technology and knowledge partner. This atlas is not just a map, it is a centralized decision support system designed to facilitate planning, monitoring, and evidence-based implementation of the Forest Rights Act. Provisions at the state, district, subdivision, and most importantly, the Gram Sabha level. For the first time, we have an integrated digital platform that brings together forest boundaries, revenue village data, census, and socio-economic data sets, and existing FRA claims and title information. The exact boundaries will be visible on the satellite-based spatial layers for everyone to see. The analysis has identified approximately 466 potential Gram Panchayats and village councils having potential eligibility for community forest resource rights. This means that there are deep forest habitations in Tripura where the dependency on forest resources is extremely high. These habitations were previously invisible to standard administration planning. With this atlas, they are now visible and their rights will be recognized. This is the power of technology-enabled governance. In addition to the FRA Atlas, I am also pleased to know that the Tribal Welfare Department has undertaken the development of comprehensive tribal development atlas. This is envisaged as one of the first integrated digital platform of its kind in India for mapping and monitoring tribal development infrastructure and assets through GIS technology. As part of the ongoing activities under this platform, several key tribal development assets have already been geotagged and integrated into the system. These include Eklavya Model Residential Schools, ashram schools, district and subdivisional tribal welfare officers, state head offices, and even synthetic football grounds. The platform is being further expanded to include ST hostels, Vandan Vikas Kendras, Adiseva Kendras, tribal rest houses, tribal multi-purpose marketing centers, market stalls, and infrastructure under the CM Rubber mission. We have made immense progress, but our journey does not end here. To the officials present here, I urge these subdivisional and district level committees to conduct regular monthly meetings. The Government of India has emphasized that regular meetings are the mechanism to clear pending claims and ensure that no deserving beneficiary is left behind. Use these digital atlases to assert your habitat rights, especially for our particularly vulnerable tribal groups, PVTG. The story of New Bharat cannot be written without the story of Tripura. The government of Tripura is fully committed to leveraging technology for scientific planning and inclusive growth. Let the launch of this FRA Atlas be a modern day revolution that brings justice to our doorsteps. Thank you.